Hello and welcome to my teen activity in midterm. So in this video, we are going to set up a drop down list in HTML. So in a drop down list, you only want them to select one option. So first, we need a select item, a select element. So select. And then after that is we use option element. So option value for example, our first option is we need si Luzon. Okay. And then our second option is value. Our second option is Visayas. Visayas. So Visayas. And then our third option is Mindanao. And then after that, we save our work. So in there are three options we create. So there are three options we'll create. So Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So that's it for today's video, and bye.